Good morning. It is Monday, March 29th, and it's about 7:30. And I want to tell you that last night was rough. We are at the Darlington Shelter, 14 miles. We hiked 14 miles yesterday out of Boiling Springs and walked some flat land for 13 miles and then a steep climb to get here in the rain. And the shelter it's okay. But last night it was a gusty wind. Oh my God, it sounded like a tornado, and I thought it was going to blow the shelter away. It was so scary. This is the first time I've seen this. There's a tarp there you can put on. It was open before, and I put it up to block the wind. But last night it was so loud, and it just the sound of the wind is like a tornado. It's so scary. It's probably about 45 to 50 mile per hour wind all night long. It's still windy now, you can see. And I put like heavy stuff to hold it down, my bag, some rocks, and I found a shovel there. I put it there to hold the tarp down, but it's noisy all night long, so I couldn't sleep much. I keep thinking that somebody's going in through the tarp because it makes a lot of noise, but no, it's just the wind. Let me open this. So outside it looks like that. Oh, it's beautiful. It's actually not that cold, it's just windy. That's what the shelter looked like. That's a privy over there. Look at this view. I'm glad it stopped raining. Oh, I feel so sorry for Bo Sheep. The last 1 mile we were hit by heavy rain, and it was a steep climb, and I couldn't see anything, and I was tired. Bo Sheep was tired, and he went to bed immediately. He's still sleeping. Let me show you. This is where we sleep. It's pretty warm. My sleeping bag is awesome. And there's a dog under there. Bobo? Bobo, you okay? Where are you? Good morning, Bobo. Are you okay? Oh, you smelling me? Do I smell? No. I love you. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys all that. The adventure continues. Today, I plan to walk 11 miles into Duncannon, Pennsylvania. I already booked a hostel there, and there's a lot of restaurants and stores I can resupply. I need some AAA batteries and some Huggies to wipe myself. And I run out of water. This place doesn't have a spring, but there's gonna be a water source here in a couple miles or so. Okay, bye. I don't know what's wrong with the camera on this phone. This is still the loaner phone that they gave me, and then, like you can see, it like shakes. It doesn't focus and stay still. Oh, I can't wait to get my own phone. Look at that! Oh, how beautiful! Aren't you happy you get to do this? What? This running water, stepping stones into the field, and that looks like a calendar. Wow! I am so happy. Okay, I guess the trail goes this way. this way. Oh, beautiful. Oh. Happy boy. You're not carrying a backpack today. I'm carrying it for you. Look at him. He's so happy being outdoor. Just like me. Today is the day of rolling hill and sunshine. Beautiful. So I found this creek here. It's a great place to stop for lunch. So I can boil water without having to carry it with me. I can just scoop water out of that creek and then cook it. Make what are we eating today? Another Knorr pasta. But I'm so hungry. Okay, oh. My friend Jeannie gave me this tea towel with cute little design. I brought it, it was big. I'm sorry, Jeannie, but I had to cut it in half so it can fit snugly in this container. Okay, let's eat. Bobo, are you hungry? He is. I think that's too much water. Maybe that is. It's rocky again. What do you think, Baba? Go. Baba don't mind it. So we've been coming down through all these rocks, more like steps, rocky steps. We're gonna go all the way down there into Duncannon. If you lose your footing, Bobo, be careful. You go down the cliff. Okay, focus. We made it into Duncannon, Pennsylvania. We came down that mountain right there. It was so strenuous, scary. Crossing a bridge now, and we're like 0.3 from our hostel. It's called Kind of Outdoorsy. I heard it's nice. I'll let you know later. We just arrived in a hostel in Duncannon. Of course, we're the only one here since it's off season. Yay! Bobo already made himself at home. It's not as nice as Trail of Hope in Fayetteville, though. But it's okay. Yay!